Yo, this is Kieran for GOST, getting our shit together. Today we're going to be talking about tonality, how it's important in your dating life, but also in your life in general, right? So to make it really simple, we're breaking it down into three categories. So the first would be approval-seeking tonality. That's tonality that goes up at the end. So it's like, hey, is everything okay? Is everything all right? It's a little bit wishy-washy. It's not very commanding. It's not very assertive, right? The next tonality would be very flat, neutral tonality. So I'm speaking to you now. It's just flat, right? The third would be an authoritative, challenging tonality. So it goes down at the end. So it's a little bit combative. So, hey, how you doing? What's going on? You all right? A little bit aggressive for everyday life, right? So let's say you meet a girl in a bar and you want to go over to her. If you come across as very sort of approval seeking, you see I'm already doing that with my face because it matches the tonality. Like, hey, are you all right? It's kind of off-putting. So you want to more go over with a more neutral tone. And then every so often, let's say if you need to deal with a guy who comes over, you can slip a little bit into that challenging tonality as well. So it's like, hey, what are you doing? All right, man. It's like, that's how you fend off other guys with your sort of tonality. That's before it gets to fisticuffs or anything like that. So this stuff can really help you out. It's just a really quick video. Remember those three different types and just watch yourself. If you're a guy who's maybe not so great with this stuff, likelihood is you probably suffer from this sort of approval seeking tonality. And it's not just with women. You can find it when you're around guys. I find it, let's say if I'm around a very masculine alpha sort of guy, I can find like my tonality takes on a little bit more approval seeking. And what I tend to notice is if I were to retain that sort of flat neutral way, I would more readily get that person's respect, right? So just a real quick one for you. Hope you enjoyed. It's useful. Play around with it. Notice what sort of tonality you're giving out when you go out and you're trying to meet someone. And you can play around with this. It's another tool in your arsenal. Cheers. See ya. Bye.